Here's a quick video on how to safely change the razor blade in your IRWIN folding utility knife. All you'll need to do this is your knife, and you'll need some new razor blades. I'm using the Milwaukee brand ones lately. They seem like they've been staying sharper longer than some of the other brands. So I'll have a link for the knife and the blades in the description below. First thing you need to do is kind of understand how this knife works. So when it's normal, you open this blade up like this, and it's locked into place and it won't budge. So now in order to close the blade, you have to push this little safety here, which allows you to shut the blade back down. So to change out your razor blade, you're going to open it all the way up, and there's a button here that allows this blade to release. But you'll see that if I push it in with this knife in the full open position, this blade is not going to go anywhere. It's locked in place. So to allow the blade to be removed, you push this and you slowly close this knife until you get about to this angle, 45 degrees or whatever it is. So now with it here, you can safely push this button here, which will free the blade, and you can pull it right out. Now you can take your new blade, line it up with the groove here, slide it in, and now push this button to allow it to go all the way back into the slot. And now your blade's changed. Close it down, pushing the safety in, shut it down. If there's any questions, please leave in the comments below. If not, leave a thumbs up.